Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. First, I just want to go ahead and give all y'all a shout out. Thank y'all for all the love and support y'all been giving me. So yeah, as cliche as it sounds, I freaking love y'all. So yesterday was super rainy. I was driving and I went over this huge puddle, and I'm talking about huge, like the whole bottom half of my car being submerged huge. My headlight bulb fried. So I really quickly had to find headlights for sale. Amazon, I found a pair that was getting overnighted. I haven't checked the ballast, but I really hope it's just the bulb. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how to replace the headlight bulb on any BMW with Xenon headlights. Now the first thing we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go ahead and take off the wheel. That way we have access to the back of the headlight basically. All right, so the car is jacked up. So now we're gonna go ahead and start working on removing these lug nuts. Have our wheel off right there. Bam, good to go. So from here, what we're gonna do is take off this wheel liner right here, and y'all can see my sexy coilovers that I will be doing a review on soon. But yeah, we're gonna take that off. It's just held on by a bunch of 8mm and 10mm bolts and nuts. This one down here is gonna be a 10mm. And from there, we should be able to just pull off by working with it, this wheel liner. Mine is pretty broken though, and I'm missing a portion of it, so that's why it's so easy. Bam, now we have access to the actual, what holds the headlight in. Sweet, and from here, what we're gonna go ahead and use is a T20 screwdriver, or T20 in general. This will be one of the most handiest tools you ever use, especially if you own a German car. So I recommend you buy one of these. You have 5 T20s, 1, 2, 3 back there, 4 and 5 up there, and we're gonna remove those. So there's one. So 1, 2 in the corner, 3, 4, and 5. Sweet, so now from here we should be able to just pull this cover right off, and oh yeah, look at all that water, guys. Oh my. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a blow dryer and blow dry all this equipment because it is wet, guys. To release this, all you're gonna wanna do is this little pin. You're gonna push it down into the middle just like that. Same thing here, down to the middle just like that, and it'll free it, and then we should be able to just pull that right out. Bam. Now we're gonna go ahead and unplug this connector just by pulling it out. Sweet, there we go. And the old one is out. All right, guys, so now we have our new headlight bulb that we're gonna go ahead and pull out. So, sweet, so now we're gonna go ahead and plug this in. And I'm not gonna go ahead and fit it in completely. I just wanna plug it in basically and make sure that it works. So we're gonna plug that up. All right, guys, so next step we did is just plugged it up. We're not gonna go ahead and fit it in completely. Right now I'm just gonna plug it up so I can actually make sure it works. So make sure it's dangling, don't touch it, don't do anything like that. We're gonna turn the car on and make sure it actually lights up. So how to end up moving sides, guys, long story, but the ballast on the other side blew from the flood I drove in. So basically had to just put it back together, wait for a new ballast to come in. So I went ahead and already got started on this side. But as you can see, the light works. Now we're just gonna go ahead and fit it in place. Sweet, so we're gonna go ahead and fit it right back into place. And now we're gonna go ahead and get these little push pins, push them inside, just like that, just like that. Make sure it's nice and latched, and these work. Now we're gonna go ahead and test it one more time. And oh yeah, guys, those actually look great. So it's hard to see, but they're actually like a very, very white color. So now our light is in place, so we're just gonna do the opposite of what we just did. We're gonna pop that cover back on, and from there, just put the wheel liner back on, throw the wheel on, and it's good to go. If this helped y'all, go ahead and drop a thumbs up. I'm super stoked if I was actually to help out anybody on this channel. But yeah, go ahead and drop a comment down below if you get stuck, and I'll go ahead and leave a link to the bulbs that I purchased down below. As always, go ahead and smash the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, or I can help y'all out in more videos to come. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out, guys.